Once upon a time in a small, peaceful village, there lived a young woman named Kitty. Kitty was known for her bright smile and kind heart. She lived with her parents and her little brother Sam in a cozy cottage at the edge of the village. Kitty's life seemed perfect until one day, a severe storm struck the village. The storm caused significant damage, and Kitty's family lost their home. With nowhere else to go, they had to move into a small, run-down shack offered by a kind neighbor. Kitty was devastated. She felt the weight of their misfortune and couldn't understand why such a terrible thing had happened to them. Despite her sadness, Kitty tried to stay strong for her family. She took up several odd jobs in the village to help make ends meet, but the hardship took its toll on her. One day, while walking home from work, Kitty saw an elderly woman struggling to carry a heavy basket. Despite her own troubles, Kitty's instinct to help kicked in. She hurried over and offered to carry the basket for the woman. The elderly woman, named Mrs. Parker, was grateful for Kitty's help. As they walked, they began to talk. Kitty shared her story, and Mrs. Parker listened intently. When they reached Mrs. Parker's home, she invited Kitty inside and insisted she stay for tea. As they sipped their tea, Mrs. Parker told Kitty about a time when she, too, had faced great hardship. She had lost her home in a fire many years ago and had to start over from scratch. Mrs. Parker explained how that tragic event led her to discover her true calling as a teacher, which brought immense joy and fulfillment to her life. "You see, dear," Mrs. Parker said gently, "everything in life happens for a reason. No matter how hard or unfair it may seem, something good will come of it. We just have to believe and stay open to the possibilities." Kitty was deeply touched by Mrs. Parker's words. She realized that even in the darkest times, there was hope for a brighter future. Inspired by the elderly woman's story, Kitty decided to approach her own situation with renewed determination. She began volunteering at the village school, helping children with their studies. Kitty discovered a passion for teaching she never knew she had. The children adored her, and her joy began to return. With time, she was able to secure a permanent position as a teacher, bringing stability and happiness back into her life. Years passed, and Kitty's family thrived once again. They rebuilt their home, and Kitty continued to touch the lives of many children in the village. She often reflected on that difficult period and realized that without it, she might never have discovered her true purpose. Moral of the story: everything in life happens for a reason. No matter how hard or unfair it may be, something good will come of it. By maintaining hope and faith during tough times, we can trust that our struggles will lead to growth, strength, and unexpected blessings.